This is Myrtle Beach, South Carolina on January 21st at about 9 p.m. January 21st, 2025. You wouldn't know it because this place is known for sun, sand, and sea. Instead, they're calling for between 3 and 5 inches of snow tonight, which is almost unheard of in this town. So we're going to take a little walk for a minute or two down one of the oceanside streets. Cold out here for this town. It's in the 20s right now, Fahrenheit. We're going to go down and see if we can see the ocean. Some of you folks that live further up north, this might not look like a lot. But for here, this amount of snow shuts everything down. Just walk by a hamburger place, closed. Not many people at the hotels. Wind out here is whipping. Nobody at the lazy river. Wonder why not. Be a good day for a polar plunge. Beach access, not entirely covered with snow like some of them around here. Here you can see one thing that almost never happens to the beach around here. Snow on the sand. In fact, you can barely see any of the sand. See a little bit of sand peeking through the drainage ditch here. Guess it was a little warmer here. Almost all that you're seeing right now, though, is snow. There's a little sand peeking through. There's the ocean. Not very many people out because it is really cold. For those of us who live down here. The hotel has a few people. Imagine if you came for your beach week this week. Head back out to the street and see what we can see. Might be able to hear that wind, but it's bone-chilling cold. hamburger place I mentioned a minute ago is right around the corner. Normally, they'd be open. Nope. Nobody's getting the burger tonight. Few people out, not too many. It's snowing too hard for us. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little quick tour of sandy, snowy Myrtle Beach. Thanks for watching.